Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO K13 Turbo, and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find system and update. Then let's tap on languages and region and tap on edit. So here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So simply find yours and then tap on this plus icon next to it. So I'll pick Greek. After that, your device will immediately ask you whether you'd like to set a new language as a default one. So just tap on yes. And as you can see, from now on, the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. If you've got more than one languages added here, you can change them by reorder. So let's tap on English and hold it, and then drag it to the first position. Tap on confirm or something like that, and here we've got English applied. If you wish to remove the languages from this list, just tap on edit and tap on this minus icon next to the specific language. As you can see, we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.